Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be explaining more details about the SIM card, whether it is an hybrid SIM card slot or the two SIM card plus micro SD card slot or not. Is there any expandable memory in this mobile phone or not? So right now I'm using the Realme X7 Pro, which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, as you can clearly see. So this is a Realme X7 Pro device, and recently I did get this kind of hands-on with this mobile phone, and I'm having very good positive experience with this phone so far. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel in case if you're planning to buy the Realme X7 Pro as soon as it gets released. So my upcoming videos will be in depth on this mobile phone only for the next couple of days, like testing the notification light and the battery and even the vibration intensity camera. A lot of things I need to test on this mobile phone alone. So stay tuned for those videos. Just check the playlist every day. You'll find so many interesting videos on this mobile phone. So let me try to open the SIM card tray here, and let's see what SIM card slot it is. And in case if you want to download this kind of live wallpaper, try to check the links in description for the playlist of the wallpapers you can find there. As you can see, friends, so this is a nano SIM card slot with a dual SIM capabilities, one on the back and one in the front, as you can see here. Unfortunately, there is no expandable slot right now available. So this is another biggest drawback for this mobile phone, friends, seriously. So you don't have any kind of expandable memory. You need to stick with the what is the base variant you bought it. So nowadays most of the users they plan to buy switch to the 128 GB. I think 128 GB should be sufficient for the next couple of years, but having the expandable slot will give you an additional advantage, so which is really useful for the future proof option as well. So this is my opinion, friends, because right now I'm having the 512 GB memory card, and successfully I can use the 512 GB memory card in the few Realme phones and even in the Poco phones as well. So as a future proof, if I want to use the mobile phone for the next 3-4 years, I want to have all the data in single phone only, not transferring to a laptop if the memory gets full. So that will be the case in this phone. Because of not having expandable storage, you need to stick with the default storage what it has got with you only. So that will be another drawback here for this mobile phone. So this gives you a clear idea how much it is, and already I have used the 35 GB of data inbuilt, as you can see here, friends, clearly. So system only taken the 15 GB of storage before. So out of 128 GB, the system has taken 15 GB, and remaining will be the applications like PUBG game, Call of Duty. I am testing right now Free Fire game, so those games will consume a little bit of kind of data. So this is another one thing you to remember. And thank you, friends, that's it for this video. This gives you a quick idea about this SIM card, what is a SIM card and what type it is. And hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned and check always every day the videos for the Realme X7 Pro. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.